Everybody, Coley here. Basically, my KBD67 Lite came in super early, and I thought I'd share the sound test with you as soon as I possibly could. I got a whole video on my review and thoughts, but this build is basically just ASA Akko Keycaps with some whipped cream, so my broken-in Novelkey creams, and absolutely no mods. I got the stabilizer pads on there because it came with the kit, so trying to keep it as true to the kit as possible with no extra mods, but there will be mods coming soon. Anyway, here is the test.